Alright guys, what is up? We are back again on the search for Chunky Chew Rainbow Rare, okay? We have a gigantic dead pile over here and some else over here in the bottom corner. Somebody thinks Chunky Chew is hilarious. But yes, we have been searching for him and have found 5 of the other ones, but not the Rainbow Rare. So we're gonna keep going. All right, excuse the laughter. Dang, nothing good so far. Magic. Only do it. Send the good vibes. Ooh, we got Pikachu, not the one we want. This is the case every time we get an opening.
next time.
Alright guys, not the greatest showing of Vivid Voltage. Went through, what was it, 10 packs, and we got 2 V's and 2 regular hollows. I mean, we found Pikachu, but not the one we were looking for. So the search continues. You guys make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back. Probably see us open up some of these shiny Star V's soon. See you next time.
I haven't laughed that hard in a long time. And I have like lots of tears.
Here in the South, we drink Dr. Pepper and call it Coke.